Hello, my friend. Hello there. Greetings to you. This is Jerome Shaw, marketing motivator and meditator. Coming at you live with another one and another one. We are on day 13, I believe, of the 30 days of gratitude. We're in the gratitude mindset. Fellow gratitude growers, thank you for joining. Let's get into it. What would be day 13 on the gratitude journey? Something that I don't believe I've talked about yet on here, and that is actually something that I'm very thankful for. Meditation. Meditation has given me so much, and it has also removed a lot of things that no longer served me. It has given me focus and removed inattentiveness, right? It has given me peace, and just really diminished and removed a lot of unsatisfactory emotions or just things that weren't propelling me in the direction of my purpose, but were pulling me back, right? Different urges, unsavory things. Meditation has given me so much. I started meditating in 2017 from a couple of apps, Insight Timer and Headspace. And at the time I was working a job, 2 jobs actually, in Austin, Texas, as a game room operator, and also as a host for a restaurant. And I can just remember sort of easing into this state of flow. That flow state where it's not like things are happening slowly, but you're in a heightened state of awareness to where you're all right with whatever comes. I believe that meditation helps us be okay with the way things are. It's an exposer. It exposes us to what's really going on up there. It allows us to observe from different angles and not associate with our thoughts. Not that we're trying to stop thinking, right? Or stop or control ourselves, Meditation isn't about, I don't meditate to control my mind. I meditate so that my mind does not control me. And I do believe that there's a difference. So while everybody at that restaurant job was frantically running around, having to get this done, get that done, get this done, get that done, and they're just all stressing and all just, I gotta go smoke, everybody's just in a rush, in a hurry, in a race. I was able to just flow through and just kind of appreciate the present moment, not get so caught up in the future, or be dwelling on the past. I was able to appreciate the gift that is the present, and open the gift, right? That's what meditation did for me. And so people used to be affected. They would be affected by my energy. They would say, "You're so calming. You're so peaceful." Even people who didn't even know me, they'd be like, "Man, you have this monk energy. You have this energy about you. I can't place it. Do you meditate? You meditate, don't you?" I knew it. I thought so, right? I would start getting these folks. Even if I was just sitting in front of a teller at Bank of America, they would talk to me about the way I made them feel, right? These things never happened before I started meditating. Now, all of a sudden, I was having this profound, powerful impact on the world around me, and I loved it, But I also loved what it gave me. By eliminating the non-essential, by taking away the things that weren't serving me, I was able to have more for myself, more energy for myself, more time for myself, more love and appreciation for myself. But I had to give that love and appreciation to myself before I could give it to others. Folks like you. I had to be grateful and give that gratitude to myself before I could be grateful for others. Folks like you, my friend. So that's just a small portion of what meditation has done for me, and I am forever grateful that I found it, and that it found me, really. It was a gift that keeps on giving, and I do believe that it is lifelong, that I am forever a practitioner. They don't call it a practice for nothing, right? It is something that we can take with us till the end of time. So thank you for listening, my friend. I appreciate you. Thank you for sharing your time with me, spending your time with me. Comment below, share a nugget, anything that you thought you gained from this, or just anything that you would like to share. A kind word for this wonderful gratitude mindset community, where we are cultivating the attitude of gratitude each and every day. This has been day 13. Tune in tomorrow for day 14. Be well, my friend. Be wonderful. Be blessed. Have a prosperous and productive day.